pen is Salina binti Muhammad Nazaru. My number matric is J20A0548. I am from SEB. Now I will explain about my presentation. Okay, I will explain about the introduction of the table pen. Table pen is one of the common electric appliances used in houses, offices, shops, and business establishments to provide air circulation, which can greatly improve the atmosphere of any environment. Fan circulates the air, which enhances the evaporation rate of sweat from body, due to which body is cool. Okay, for the main part of table fan is blades, guard, motor, regulator, mounting, and so on. Okay, for the objective for this assignment is to learn how to design any structure of compartment, to show the technical drawing of table fan, and to show the detailed part of table fan that involve physical aspects of materials, structure, and properties. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Anur bin Yusri. My matric number J20A0473. My part is blade. I'm going to explain how to do it. So firstly, take one plan and sketch, then draw two circles. For the first circle, the diameters is in 150 millimeters and the other circles in 30 millimeters. After that, use extruded boss and make it in 80 millimeters. Then select upper surface, sketch and draw two circles. The first circle in 500 millimeters and the others in 150 millimeters. Then use center rectangle, the width in 5 millimeters. After that, use the right plane and select line, and then take upper surface to the down surface in vertical line. The length is in 70 millimeters. After that, select straight boss and let's sketch 5 and sketch 6. Then go to options and select profile twist and choose specify twist value, and then in twist control select degrees and put 90 degrees. So the blade will shape automatically. And to make it round, select circular pattern, and then for the direction 1, choose the hole in the middle of object, and then put for blade, then choose 90 degrees, and then it will shape it in. Then for the last step, choose upper surface and draw the circle, and then extrude boss in 20 millimeters. Then select fillet and put it in 15 millimeters, and the blade is done.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Aiman Azim bin Abdul Aziz from program SB. My case number is J20A0497. Today I will talk about the cover of the fence. First step, choose the top plane and do a circle around 300 millimeter, and After that, I extrude box and make it 20mm, and I sketch again on the surface after the extrude box and do another circle around 280mm, and then I extrude cut and blind. Okay, after that, I'm choosing reference and make it plain. So I make it 150mm spread from the another plane. Okay, now I'm drawing another part, another circle around 150mm, and then extrude box around 20mm, and do another circle. After that, I extrude cut. Okay, and after extrude cut, I choose a right plane and do a spline sketch and do a and do the curve till touch first frame and second frame. Okay, after that, on the line up on the first frame, do a circle on its frame on the surface, and then choose a swept box and click on the circle and the spline line. After that, you will get a perfect road after it's complete, and you choose a circular pattern and click on the road and on the second surface and make it 200, and the spacing is around 2 mm only. Okay, now the frame is complete and it's using a stainless steel. Now I'm gonna make it the cover of the in front cover of this fence. Okay, now I'm gonna do the cover of this fence. So choose reference and do another plane, but make it close to the fence and confirm it. Now draw it. Okay, sketch. Do another circle. Limit a bit. Confirm features and extrude box. Yes. So make it 20mm in front and confirm. Now choose on the line and do a fillet around 50 mm and confirm it. So now the cover of it is complete. After that, I'm gonna do the same from for the behind of the fence. Now the cover of this one is already complete. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Khalida Adila binti Ibrahim. My matric number is K20A0458. Today I want to explain this part is rear panic. First, make 2 larger circles, then extrude it in 10 mm. Then, using plane and distance from start space, largest inner circle 150 mm. Make 2 small circles and extrude it in 10 mm. Sketch and use spline to connect small circle part with big circle part. Make sure there were circles by using extrude swept box. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Salena binti Muhammad Nazaru. My number matric is J20A0548. I am from SEB. Okay, now I want to explain my drawing part about motor part. Okay, first I use the circle and then I use the sketch. Then I use the center rectangle to make the single spline, and then I use the single spline. Then I use the extruded boss. Then I will use the extruded cut about 30 mm. Then I will use the circle and I use the circle about 2 times, and then I will use the circle again, and then I will fill it to make the shape at the corner of the motor part. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Keshwini Narendran from SCB. My matric number is J2A0668. Now I explain about body of table fan. Firstly, use top plane and draw a circle and smart dimension 190 mm. Then extrude in 300 mm. After that, make a plan sketch. Use spline to make a curve. Then cut it. Next, make a circle and smart dimension 250 mm. And then extrude 200 mm. Then fillet. Fillet in 5 mm at middle of body. Make 4 circle with smart dimension 330 mm. Then extrude in 20 mm. Use fillet at 4 circle and 10 mm. That's all for body of table fan. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Joanne Jimmy from SCB program. My matrix number is J20A0667. Today I'm going to explain how the fan base created. First, use center rectangle and then use spline to make a curve. Next, extrude boss in 100 mm, then fillet 10 mm. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Siddhartha Kumar Alaki Hari Kumar. My number metric is J20A0614. My part is part 8, pocket purchases. For the pocket purchases, we need to use the center rectangle to sketch it out the size of the center rectangle, and we need to use the circle to sketch it beside the center rectangle according to size that we've been sketching. After that, the edge of the circle, we need to follow the size of the center rectangle. And after we sketch it the size of the center rectangle and the circle with the perfect size, then we need to cut it out using the extrude base book. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Sharizo bin Marzuki with metric number J20A0631, and I am from course SCB. For my part, I will explain about wires from the fan connector. To make the wires, first make a circle on the fan base. After that, I will make a plane for that circle and then I use the spline. After that, go to the fixtures and use sweat boss to make a wire. After that step, a wire is formed. For the plug head, first I will use center rectangle and at the end of the wire. After that, I use line and spline to make the shape. Then go to the surface part to make the head foot of the plug. After that, use the center rectangle on the part of go to the fixtures and do the boss extrude. And already done for the wires. That's all from me. Thank you. Peace.